Welcome back to another awesome tutorial. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show us a bit of what I was able to achieve. For a while I tried to create a modal 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 pop-up that will show each time I click on a button and it will select the row records. Okay, but for a while now I've been able to achieve this for call it almost 2 years now. I've achieved this, but somehow it's kept my mind to put it up on a video and demonstrate to us how to achieve that. Okay, so it's a bit easy, but if you can simply um, follow. Okay, so you look at this now, this row I had to extract this entire just for the purpose of this demonstration. This is part of my records, but I had to remove the complicated areas to make it quite simple so that easily follow. Okay, so now let's just note this registration number here. This is 255998. Okay, so if I click this view participant, it should be 255998. Okay, now let's take another number again, under row. This is 67031 676,031. Okay, then finally let's view the second to the last, 896867 896,867. So with this now, if you want to if you want to modify end of a record, it will be easy for you to just modify and save, right? So it was a bit challenging for me, but eventually I got it. So I'm sharing with us now, even with the script. Okay, and again, modal closes. Once the modal closes, it also refreshes the page. Should there be some updates you made and you want them to show up immediately, so it quickly refresh the page for you. Okay, now to download this entire script, just go to GitHub. There's the link here, and I'll add it to the to YouTube description page where you can go and download the entire script using a zip file. And the database you will see here, I also added the tables are here. Okay, the two core tables are here. Don't mind, it's just download and install. Like I said, it's all part of my existing application, but I had to script out the core just to make the application quite simple. So these are the two tables that are involved, and then the connection you just add. You don't need to modify if you're going to use the table name and database I already set. When in your exact exam, or I'm using WAMP. I'm using WAMP server, so you can just unzip it, dump into your WAMP folder, and then create a database. Database name is there. You see all the details there. Just use as I've sent to make it easy for you to modify once you've run it and it's working. This is the file I just opened now. And when you click on this, what you see is this. This is the this is the page that shows up in the pop-up. So it's a different page outside of the main application. So it comes in within the framework of the pop-up and shows. Okay, so the two pages involved are just basically these two. Once more, this is this page here. Okay, this page here, and when I click view participant, what you see here is what is contained here. Okay, very easy. Now I'm going to show us the back-end script using Studio. Okay, but permit me, I'm used to Node++ because as you can see the clarity here is not really, sometimes I find it difficult searching for a line of script when I'm using the Studio, so I prefer mostly using Windows Note++. So let's dive into Windows Note++, where you will see it clear. Okay, so now first, this is the table. This is the table you see there. This is this table here. That's the table here. Okay, it starts here and ends here. Now, when you click on this, is actually what you click. This button here, and then this ID, this ID here, yes, this ID here triggers the modal, and when it triggers the modal, it brings it to this point here. Okay, sorry, I passed it, please. Yeah, that's it. It triggers the modal, and when it triggers the modal, it now calls up the other page, which is wrapped in the modal within this div. Okay, so which is what I mean. You click on view participant, it calls up the modal, and within the modal is this other page. As you can see, view filtered, and if you scroll down, you see register number, surname, first name, right? That's what we saw there. Okay, so let me go back to the page. Register number, surname, first name, and then you have close, which is this. Okay, remember I said when on the main page is this one. This is the main page, which is this one here, which is this one here. Now, when you click on the when you click on this button here, it triggers the view filtered page modal, and that comes here and calls up the modal within this div here. Okay, so quite easy. Now you follow up, you review this script as is and adapt it to your own application, and boom, you are good to go. Okay, so like I said, you can download it. You can download it from my GitHub and use it as you please. There's no license, there's no restriction. Feel free and use it. Okay, so I'm also going to add the description and every other details of how to use it here within the README, and add this link to YouTube for more clarity and download. Thank you for watching. See you in some other video. Thank you.